It's Hometown Showcase, and I'm here with Debbie Daniels. Good morning to you, Debbie.
Well, good morning.
You have a cleaning service. What exactly do you do?
I work with commercial and residential people. I'm working with realtors. We're sanitizing with the ultralight.
So you do more than just cleaning. Now you're sanitizing.
Yes.
Oh.
Basic routine cleaning includes clean and sanitize kitchens, bathrooms, remove trash from our waste baskets. We dust, vacuum living area, polish furniture, change linens if requested, and wash kitchen floors or whatever hardwood floors. We have special cleaning products for the hardwood floors. We are bonded and insured.
And do you have references? If
Oh
someone asks?
yes, definitely. If anybody needs a reference, I have a list of them. Some clients prefer that we use their stuff because they don't want anything that's been in somebody else's house.
And if you mention RES TV, Debbie will give you 10% off your first cleaning. So give Debbie's cleaning service a call.